Quantum computing is the next generation of high-speed computing that could remake national security, our economies, and scientific discovery. So what should you be asking about quantum computing? I'm Adam Siegel. I direct the Digital and Cyberspace Policy Program at the Council on Foreign Relations, and I've been studying emerging technologies like quantum and artificial intelligence for the last 15 years. What is quantum computing? Quantum computing is computing that takes advantage of the strange behavior of objects at either a subatomic or extremely cold level. So with a conventional computer, we have what are called bits, a 1 and a 0. With quantum computing, we have what are called qubits, which is something that can be a 1 or a 0 or a 1 and 0 at the same time. This means that a quantum computer can operate at speeds exponentially faster than a conventional computer. What can quantum computing be used for? So far, quantum computers are extremely helpful for modeling several extremely complicated processes. You can use them for modeling drug metabolism for new drugs. You can use them for thinking about carbon sequestration if you want to address climate change. And some other uses include nuclear fusion and agricultural fertilization. What are the national security implications of a quantum computer? The big risk is that quantum computing can be used to decrypt encrypted data. This will allow thieves to steal private data, to be able to break encryption on commercial transactions, allow spies to gain access to information stored on secure systems. So who is winning the quantum computing race? It's a pretty close race so far, especially if we look at it in 3 separate areas. If you look at quantum communication, which is the use of quantum science to send messages securely, China is leading. If we look at what's called quantum sensing, which is the use of quantum mechanics to detect submarines or stealth fighter jets, that's probably a tie. And if we look at quantum computing, the building of high-speed computers, the United States is in the lead. But both countries are racing very quickly, and China could close the gap very soon. And finally, when will we have quantum computers? Unlike artificial intelligence, which is already here and being used daily, the future of quantum computing is more unknown. There are several different models of how you would build a quantum computer, and no one really knows which model will succeed. So the future of quantum computing may be 3 years away, it may be 30 years away. Right now, it's extremely uncertain.